Carino, I'll call you 5th. Rick Cannon, you'll start 6th. Bruce Lewis, I'll call you 7th. Nelson Cortez, I'll call you 8th. Dan Debbie, you'll start 9th. And George, you'll start 10th. This is F1, guys. Corner marshals are ready. And the drivers are ready. Wait for your name. Michael, B, Ian, Dominic, Mike, Rick, Bruce, Nelson, Dan, and George. F1 off and rolling. Everybody gonna make the big show in this one. A perfect 10 up on the driver's stand. Let's see who got what it takes. Right now it's Garza out in front, 15.2. Debbie in the second spot. Watch it on the back straightaway. Caution on the back straightaway. And we're clear. All right, Garza out in front. Debbie in second. Cortez in third. Call right now. Douglas, Lewis, Debbie, all in a three-way battle for the 2 spot. Garza out in front by 2.8. Starting to peel away from these guys already. Dominic Garza 2.8 seconds out in front of Ian Douglas with Dan Debbie in the 3rd spot. Ball 5. Bruce Lewis and Rick Cammy to round out the top 5. Everett, Cortez, Carino, Combs, and it looks like Corey to round out the top 10. Hot lap of the race belongs to Dan Debbie to 14.7. He's sitting in 3rd right now. Now open to the 2nd spot. In the race leader by 1.0. Debbie coming for the top spot now, 15.1. Ian Douglas in 2nd. Dominic Garza in 3rd. We're streaming live on YouTube, guys. We got our live feed for the inaugural West Coast Indoor Championship. Thanks to our viewers online for checking us out. We'll hope to see you at the 2nd annual next year. We've got the full live stream going here with our sponsors. Race results available on LiveRC. Come and check it out in person. We're down here at the LEMO facility in Redwood City. We got main events tomorrow. We're going to do triple main events tomorrow for all classes, guys. We're going to do it for all classes. Let's fit it all in there. 2:30 in, 2:30 left to go. At 2:30 in, 2:30 left. We will start the main events tomorrow at 9 a.m. Guys, I'll have the main events set up tonight after qualifying. Watch it over on the right-hand side. Your Rocky Round qualifying. You got 3 chances to get one good one in. And the top 10 make the show. No bump ups. You either make it or you don't. Well, we will have some triple A main events, and we're going to fit in some multiple lower main events for you guys as well. Douglas out in front, Debbie in 2nd, Combs in 3rd, called by Cammy and Garza to round out the top 5. Watch it in front of the driver's stand. And we're clear. All right, so our battle is for the top spot. Douglas and Debbie separated by 1.8. Dean Combs in the 3rd spot. Rick Camby in 4th, and Bruce Lewis to round out the top 5. Ian Douglas coming back in through the center of the course. And across the start-finish line. Ian got those white, yellow, and pink bright colors. You have the most questions at the driver's meeting, so an inquisitive leader. In front of the driver's stand here across the start-finish line. Ian Douglas dropping down to the 2nd spot. Dan Debbie out in front. Now Douglas in 2nd, Combs in 3rd. We got some tight racing here in this one. Not all battles are up in front though. Bruce Lewis, Michael Everett, Garza, and Carino in a 4-way battle for 5th. Now right now it's Everett rounding out that top 5. Lewis in 6th, Garza in 7th, Carino in 8th. That's going to be separated by, looks like about 1.9 is the total between those 4 drivers.
I'm trying, man.
30 seconds left to go. Everett just hit his hot lap, 16.5. The hot lap of the race is a 14.7. Established early by Debbie.
Let's see, I haven't.
And Debbie is only a half a second out in front of Ian Douglas. Douglas across the line, 18.4. That's not going to help the effort.
Just had it mount.
Debbie across the line, 15.8. Still our race leader, Dan, down the back straightaway.
But dropped it down significantly.
Keep going, guys. Keep going. Debbie down the back stretch again, 15.3 the last time by. Douglas in the second spot, 15.8. Combs in third, 18.6. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Watch it over by the line. And we're clear. Got a couple more to finish up. 4 more to finish. 3 more to finish. 2 more to finish, guys. Waiting on George.
I'm like, there's not enough room in that line for me.
Last one to finish is George, guys. And that's the race. Everybody is done. Bring them in and shut them down. Dan Debbie going to hold on to the win. Ian Douglas second. Bean Combs, you got third. Rick Cammy fourth. And Dom Garza rounded out the top 5. Lewis, Everett, Carino, Cortez, and Corey are complete finishing order.